So this is my basement here, and we're actually going to install the tiles now. We're going to use this super spreader here that you can see here. Let me show you here from close proximity. That's the super spreader that we already built, okay? And what you're seeing here, we already put the tile here. None of them actually have thinset inside. It's not really installed, but I just put it with laser. We use a laser here to put it straight. Okay, so this is the center. We're going to start from the center here, using the spreader, the super spreader, in order to spread the thinset and install the tile. Look at that, how nice it looks. After we spread it here, here is the laser. Okay, and let me show you where is the laser here actually. If I put here, you can see the laser is exactly on the black line. There is no leakage here whatsoever. Let me show you something here. You can see it's exactly level and no leakage. No leakage whatsoever. Okay, the other stuff is it's level, no leakage, and it's straight. And it's okay, the other thing you have to make sure there is no thinset between the tiles, okay? No thinset between the tile, you can see it here. If you have to clean. I clean here, we have a little bit here in the beginning because it's the first tile we install. But it's look good. You see we have support here. Here the tile will not move to the wall, very important. Okay, so now we have to put another two tiles here. What I'm doing, I'm actually pressing the tile on and then I move it, okay, left and right, here and here, okay, and that's what we're doing. We're spreading the thinset on the top of the tiles. That's very important. Without that, your job not going to be good. So remember, press the tile a little bit, you're pressing the thinset to the floor, and then you move it to this direction that you break the groove here, you break the thinset, and the thinset actually spreading on the back of the tile. Very important. So that's the way it looks so far. As you can see, we finish here until here, and look what we have here. We have a little bit of thinset here, you can see. Look what I'm doing. I'm taking these tools, utility tools here, and I'm just remove it. You see? Remove it here, and that's the way it looks. See how it looks? You have to remove it because if it dry on you, you cannot continue the work. Very important to remove. Okay, so now we're actually going to put here. The next row is here. Okay, let me show you something. You see, if I'm putting this level here, it has to go straight with no leakage. You can see the way it's going? Perfect. They have to be exactly straight. All these tiles should be on the same line. It's actually, they're going to be perpendicular to this wall, if the wall is actually perpendicular. It doesn't matter, you can see here this line going straight away. This tile already been done. Okay, so now we're going to put the thinset here on this area, and that's going to be our reference here. And this is already been installed. That's going to be the second reference. Okay, so that's the way we're going to work now. Okay. So look for yourself how nice it looks. And guess what? Everybody can do it. It's a do-it-yourself job here. Don't need to be an expert at all in tiles here. Just need to make sure that there is no leakage here, there is a straight line, and you can do it yourself. You don't need any tile installer here. And these are the 3 tiles waiting there with the back butters. So now we're going to put the tiles here. Here are the tiles we're going to put. Remember, this tile has direction, so you can see here we actually mark. You're going to make a arrow here where it should go. You can see the arrow here, okay? Okay, all of them have a direction, and we have to follow the direction. So we put the second one now, okay, and we just put the spacer, very important, the self-leveling spacer here. So that is the way we are so far. We actually make 2 rows